People who for some reason have lost their strength and lack of semen, depressed, always weak and sick, digestive power is weakened, memory is low, poor eyesight, body is lean, anemic. Such people forget all their worries and make life enjoyable with this easiest recipe. This recipe will produces plenty of fresh blood and makes lean body healthier and stronger. Recipe. You will need cow ghee and white onions. First of all, make onion juice. If onion juice is 2 kilograms, then mix 1 kilogram of cow ghee in it. Make sure it's pure cow ghee, it is essential. Now make a paste by crushing 250 grams of onion and mix it in ghee and cook on low heat. When the onion water is burned and only ghee remains, take it off and filter when cold, and store in a glass vessel. Dosage: mix 1 gram to 10 gram in lukewarm milk and drink it 2 hours before sleep. The use of this ghee will get rid of all the complaints.